Welcome to Smart Factory TV, news for the manufacturing industry in 60 seconds.
In everyday production, regular coordination meetings take place and are usually recorded using a variety of basic media. HYDRA's new application, Digital Production Meeting, allows you to clearly plan, conduct, and document meetings of all kinds. The main benefit of this application is that the user can specify the structure of the meetings in a template, so that everyday meetings to discuss key figures or the handover of shifts can take place via video conferencing. All you need is a PC connected to HYDRA and the app, Digital Production Meeting. For more information, visit our homepage at mpdv.com.